Hey, what's going on YouTube? Sorry I haven't been making a video for a while. Just been really busy with work and, you know, being a dad. So today we're going to be doing a Mopar Blue stripe install on my Dodge Dart, and I'm going to go through the tutorial and kind of show you how to do it. This is going to be like the second or third time I've done these, so it's not going to be the greatest, but I have a lot of extra stripes, so if I mess up, it's not going to hurt anything. So first thing you obviously want to do is you're going to want to get all your supplies. So let me get, okay, so towels. You don't necessarily need gloves, but I'm going to possibly use those just in case. Scissors, and your spray bottle. Need Dawn Free and Gentle clear soap. Any clear soap will do. And if you don't have any, I mean, you could use regular colored one, but clears, that way nothing really shows. Isopropyl alcohol, so basically rubbing alcohol. Razor blade, and then it obviously needs your stripes, so that's pretty much it. And then first thing you're going to want to do is clean down the area, which I already did. So next thing to do is you're going to fill this up with about 2 teaspoons of Dawn, and then about 8 ounces to 10 ounces roughly. Half alcohol, half water, and then you just don't necessarily shake it up, but just mix it around, kind of swirl it, otherwise it gets like really sudsy. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Anyways, there's some suds in there, and you don't necessarily want that. So what you want to do is find out where you want to put the stripe. On the Dodge Darts, the Mopar ones that go right here, there's technically 2 stripes, so one wider one and one thinner one, and they go right around the spray nozzle right there. So I've already cleaned down here all the way up, and then next thing you want to do is you're going to want to put the stripe on wet. You're going to actually spray this, and then you're going to lay the stripe on there, and then you're going to squeegee out all the bubbles. The only thing I don't have is a squeegee, so what I'm going to be using is my AutoZone rewards card, so it's not worthless. Alright, and then let me get all that laid out, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I got it started and I cut out the hole right here. So like I said, I was cutting the hole out, and then what you want to do is you're going to take that mix and spray under there. Oop, definitely need 2 people for this, so you spray it, get it pretty wet. And then you slowly pull this out. And the reason why you're getting it wet is because it's adhesive, and if you let it dry and you place it in the wrong spot, you're not going to be able to peel it back up. You see how it's getting wet. That way you can actually move it around. That way you can make sure it places in the right spot. Okay, so just keep doing this, and then I'm going to get down to where I need to cut it, and then I'll show you to go from there. Okay, so once you've done that, you squeegee out all the water as much as you can, and then you slowly pull back, and then you can see it come popping up a little bit. That's when you want to take the squeegee and push it down. So just keep doing that and squeegee out any water, and then I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, there it is, all done. It's a little tricky, kind of sucked, but I like the outcome. You just got to watch out for air bubbles and stuff, and then trimming it, I kind of messed up a little bit. Don't really care. Looks good from far away. That's all that really matters. And then I got the roof. So I got the roof all done. And then the tricky part was also the trunk. So right here, this one went down just fine. This one I had a lot of trouble with, so I had to cut 3 separate individual pieces in order to get this curve. And then I was gonna do the rest of the bumper, but I just I don't need that that much blue on the car. It's already got the mud flaps. I like the way it turned out. Enough blue on the back, and then there's plenty of blue on the front with the stripe. And then hopefully eventually I'm looking at getting the GT hood. And then another update is I did letters. Other than that, it's like $10 at AutoZone. Looks a lot better. I like the way it looks. Now let's just see how long it takes for it to fly off. If you guys have any questions or anything, like how I did it or anything like that, feel free to hit me up on Instagram, ks_garage_, or shoot me a comment and I'll answer there too. I typically answer within 5 to 10 minutes. So hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, comment, like, let me know what you think.